everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is me from the next day. I have just realised when going through to edit this I never actually did an intro. So basically today's video is just a very small, simple day in the life. I had a really productive day actually, considering I didn't do any schoolwork because I have none. But I got lots done. I took a trip to ikea, I went to the gym, went to tennis and had a really nice simple day. So that's basically what the video is about. Brief thing to say, ikea meatballs are actually so good. Favourite thing ever. I've just got in from playing tennis and the trip to ikea has really inspired me to redo my room. As you can see, my room is purple, very purple from when I was younger. So I don't know if I want to leave it for sentimental reasons because I kind of still like it, I'm not gonna lie. But I don't know if I kind of want to change it up. So I'm gonna look at room transformation videos on YouTube and try and get some inspiration and see how, if I want to change my room. Also, tennis was really good. My friends were there, so just played tennis. I have tennis lessons in a group, so it's really nice. So I thought I'd give you all a quick little haul of what I got from ikea. Firstly, I got this big board from ikea. It's called gcses, but you just put it on your wall and you can hang stuff on it. I then got lots of accessories to put on it. So I got this pen pot, which you just hang on it and you can put pens in. Then 2 sets of these pink clips to clip photos on or little notes. So that'll be helpful for A-level or just for putting photos on. I got another string so I could clip photos onto this or something. I then got 2 sets of these hooks so I can hook more stuff on there. It had quite a lot of stuff in the shop showing how you use them and they just looked good. So that's all I got. So basically it's just the board and then lots of accessories, but hopefully it'll be nice on my wall and I'm gonna open them all now and see how it works. This is the board out of the packaging. It looks really cool and I can't wait to actually put it on my wall and start hanging stuff on it. So I've unpacked a little bit. So we have a pot, then the pink clips. I have 4 of these as I got 2 packets. Lots of little hooks and then 3 string things.